Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to learn how to reset your phone. In my last video, I showed you how to back up your data. Once your data is backed up, follow these steps. First, remove the SIM card and memory card from your phone, if needed. Then, open the Settings app and search for Reset. Select Factory Data Reset or Reset Phone. Scroll down and tap on Erase All Data. If prompted, enter your device PIN. Confirm by tapping Erase All Data again. The resetting process will begin and may take some time, so be patient. Your phone will restart once the process is complete. Thank you for watching.